Hello students, welcome back to our class. In this module we are going to discuss about 2-mark problems which were given frequently in board examinations. Let us see what kind of problems given. The very first problem is going to be, if the sum of first m terms of an AP is same as the sum of first n terms, then show that sum of its first m plus n terms is 0. It's quite interesting problem. If you observe, the information given in the problem is sum of first m terms of an AP. Sum of first m terms of an AP is equal to sum of first its n terms. What is the formula for sum of m terms? Sum of n terms is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Like that, m terms is m divided by 2 times 2a plus m minus 1 times d. This is sum of first m terms of an AP. Is equal to sum of first n terms, that is n by 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 times d. This is sum of first n terms of an AP. Both are equal, that was given. We are going to find what is sum of first m plus n terms of an AP. Let us try to understand this. Can we cancel this 2 and 2 because 2 is the common multiple for both of them? And then when you multiply all the terms with m here and all the terms with n here, m into 2a is equal to 2am plus m into m minus 1. m into m is m square. m into 1 equal to m times d is equal to, here n into 2a is equal to 2an plus n into n is again n square minus n times d. Clear? Transpose both the two terms towards left hand side. Then we have already 2am plus m square minus m times d plus 2an would become minus 2an, and again this would be minus of n square minus n times d is equal to 0. Okay? See, here it is 2am and here it is minus 2an. From those two terms, can we take one 2a common? So 2a times, here it is m and here it is minus n. Next, from this term and this term, can we take one minus d common? Yes, minus d times, minus d in the sense, let us go with plus d because plus d is there first. Here m square minus m, so m square minus m, and here it is minus, right? Minus into n square is minus n square. Minus into minus plus n is equal to 0. Hope you understand this. Right. So we cannot simplify this more. It would be 2a plus m minus n plus d into, see here, this is m square, this is minus n square. M square minus n square is m minus n times m plus n. This is minus m, this is plus n. Minus m plus n, if I take one minus common, then it would be m, already minus taken common, so minus n is equal to 0. Got it? See, we have 2a into m minus n, right? This is, so 2a into m minus n plus d into m minus n into m plus n minus m minus n. It means m minus n is here, m minus n is here, m minus n is here. It means m minus n is there in all the three terms. So that I am going to take m minus n common. So m minus n times, here remaining 2a plus, here it is m plus n, right? m plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 0. And here, this is again product of two terms equal to 0. Then either first term equal to 0 or second term equal to 0. What is first term? M minus n equal to 0. M minus n equal to 0 means m is equal to n. M is equal to n means sum of m terms equal to sum of m terms. That is quite common result. So that it is not much useful and important. So that the second term is 2a plus m plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 0. This is what is the one of the important result and what is the one of the useful result. Now, coming to the given problem, you need to show that the sum of its first m plus n terms is 0. What is the formula for sum of m plus n terms of arithmetic progression? Like sum to n terms, sum to n terms, sum to m plus n terms. So in the place of n you write m plus n. So that m plus n by 2 into 2a plus m plus n minus 1 into d. This is what exactly sum of m plus n terms. But see here, just now we got the value of 2a plus m plus n minus 1 into d. What is the value of this entire thing? Is going to be 0, right? So m plus n by 2 into 0. So 0 into anything is equal to 0. Therefore, sum of first m plus n terms of an arithmetic progression is 0. This way we can answer the problem. And I would like to tell you one more thing. This problem is not only important for 2 marks. It is important for even 3 marks as well as 5 marks also. Right? So then please be careful in order to solve this kind of problems. So coming to the next one, 3k minus 2, 4k minus 6 and k plus 2 are 3 consecutive terms of an arithmetic progression. Then find the value of k. So we discussed this kind of problem in even 1 mark questions also. The given terms are 3k minus 2, 4k minus 6 and k plus 2 are the terms given in arithmetic progression. When 3 terms a1, a2 and a3 are said to be in arithmetic progression, 2a2 is equal to a1 plus a3. 2a2 is equal to a1 plus a3. Substitute the values here. That implies 2a2. 2 into what is a2 is 4k minus 6. 4k minus 6 is equal to a1 plus a3. a1 is 3k minus 2 plus a3 is k plus 2. Okay. So 2 into 4k, 2 4s are 8k minus 2 6 are 12 is equal to, this is 3k minus 2 plus k plus 2. Can we cancel plus 2 and minus 2? Right? So 3k plus k is equal to 4k, which is equal to 8k minus 12. So 8k minus 12 is equal to 4k. Then 8k minus 4k is equal to minus 12 will become plus 12. What is 8k minus 4k? Is equal to 4k equals to 12. 4 into how much equal to 12? 4 3s are 12. Therefore, the value of k is equal to 3. Hope you understand. It's very simple problem. Coming to the next one. How many terms of an arithmetic progression 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on must be taken to get the sum 120? The given arithmetic progression here is 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on is an arithmetic progression. How many number of terms must be taken to get the sum 120? We do not know how many number of numbers we require. So that we do not know. So sum of n terms is equal to 120. So here we need to find out the value of n. Right. What is the formula for Sn? That is n by 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 120. Okay. Where n by 2 times 2a, a is equal to the first term, that is 3, plus n minus 1 into what is the common difference, that is 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Okay, is equal to 120. I think you can expect one one quadratic equation in terms of n, that is n divided by 2 times 2 times 3 is equal to 6 plus n minus 1 into 2, n into 2 is equal to 2n minus 1 into 2 equal to 2 is equal to 120. Right? So n by 2 times, see here it is 2n, 6 minus 2 equal to plus 4 is equal to 120. Can we take 2 common from this? That is n by 2 into 2 into n plus 2 2s are 4 is equal to 120. 2 gets cancelled. N into n plus 2 is equal to 120. N into n plus 2 means what? N into n plus 2. The product of 2 consecutive multiples of 2. Right? Because this is n, this is n plus 2. Let us say one number, product of 2 numbers where one number increased by 2 than the other number. So what are the factors of 120? Let us see. See, I am trying to get its value orally without finding the roots of the quadratic equation. Otherwise, if you feel difficult, you can convert it into the quadratic equation standard form, and then you can figure it out, no problem. N into n is equal to n square plus n into 2 is equal to 2n, and the transpose plus 120 this side, it would be minus 120 is equal to 0, right? You will have to factorize 120 as product of two consecutive multiples of 2. So taking 120, what are factors of 120? So 2 into 60 is equal to 120, again 2 into 30 is equal to 120, again 2 into one more 2 into 15 is equal to 30, correct? So 15 here is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. 3 into 5. Now I want two numbers which are the consecutive multiples of 2. Okay. So how do I get it? 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 5 2s are 10, 12 10s are 120. So that n square plus 12n, 12 10s are 120, right? 12n, right? 12n plus 12n minus 10n minus 120 is equal to 0. If you factorize this, you get n plus 12 into n minus 10 is equal to 0. Since the product of two terms equal to 0, either first term is 0 or second term is 0. When n plus 12 equal to 0, n is equal to negative 12. N minus 10 equal to 0, n is equal to 10. But what is this n stands for? N stands for the number of terms. Number of terms cannot be negative, right? So that the value of n is equal to 10. It means we need 10 terms of this arithmetic progression to get the sum 120. Hope you understand? Right. So moving on to the next problem here. Find 100 is a term of this arithmetic progression or not. I think we just discussed about this kind of problem, whether that minus 150 is a term of this arithmetic progression or not. So we follow the similar kind of way here, that the arithmetic progression is 25, 28, 31 and so on, okay, where the value of a is 25 and common difference d is equal to 28 minus 25, 28 minus 25 is equal to 3. Let us suppose 100 can be taken as nth term, that is let an is equal to 100. So an is a plus n minus 1 times d is equal to 100. That means a is 25 plus n minus 1 times d. d is equal to 3 is equal to 100. Got it? Transpose 25 towards the right hand side. Then the remaining term here is n minus 1 times 3 is equal to 100 minus 25. What is 100 minus 25? Is this 75? Yes, absolutely. N minus 1 times 3 is equal to 75. Is this 75? Is this 75 a multiple of 3? 75 can be written as 25 3s are 75. Yes, we can get the value of n here by transposing 3 towards right hand side. 3 3 cancel. N minus 1 is equal to 3 25s are 75. N minus 1 equal to 25. N is equal to what? 25 plus 1 is equal to 26. Since n is equal to 26, therefore 26th term of this arithmetic progression is 100. It means 100 is a part of this arithmetic progression. So in the previous problem, when we did as whether minus 150 is a term of this arithmetic progression or not, by the time it was not. But here 100 is a term of this arithmetic progression. Right? So moving on to the next problem. The fifth term of an AP is 20. Let us write the information given in the problem. Fifth term is nothing but A5 is equal to 20. And the sum of its 7th and 11th terms is 64. And what is the information given more? 7th term means A7 plus 11th term, that is A11, is given as 64. What is the formula for 7th term of arithmetic progression? A plus 6d plus 11th term is A plus 10d is equal to 64. A plus A is equal to 2A plus 6d plus 10d is equal to 16d is equal to 64. Can we take 2 common here? 2 times A plus 8d is equal to 64. So 2 ones 2, 32s are 64. So a plus 8d is equal to 32. And what is this a5 is equal to 20? a5 is a plus 4d is equal to 20. So this is first equation and this is second equation. On solving first and second equations, you can get the values of a and d, right? So here the first equation is going to be a plus 4d is equal to 20, and the second equation is going to be a plus 8d is equal to 32. In order to solve for a and d, you can go by any one of your algebraic methods, that is by substitution method or elimination method or cross multiplication method or graphical method, whatever it is. But I go by elimination method because here coefficients of a are same, so that I will subtract one equation from the other equation by changing the signs. It was plus, so minus, it was minus, it was plus, so now it is minus. Plus a minus a gets cancelled. 4d minus 8d is equal to minus 4d. 20 minus 32 is equal to minus 12. Again minus minus gets cancelled. 4 how much are 12? 4 3s are 12. So therefore the value of d is equal to 3. Got it? After getting the value of d, to get the value of a, find the common difference, right? Yes, we found the common difference. We don't have to get the value of a because you are asked only for the common difference. Right? If the second term of an AP is 8, so the information given here is second term of an AP is 8. What is the formula for second term? A plus D is equal to 8, and fifth term is 17. Fifth term is A5 is equal to 17. The formula for fifth term is A plus 4D is equal to 17. Find 19th term. 19th term is A plus 18D. In order to find A plus 18D, you need to find what is A and what is D. For that again, go by elimination method. It was plus, so minus, and here minus, and here also minus. A and A gets cancelled. Minus 4D plus D is equal to minus 3D, equal to minus 17 plus 8 is equal to minus 9. Correct? Minus minus gets cancelled. 3 3s are 9. Therefore, the value of D is equal to 3. Got it? After getting the value of D, to get the value of A, you can choose the first equation. That was A plus D is equal to 8. That implies A plus D is equal to 3, right? Which is equal to 8. That implies the value of A is equal to 5. So after getting the values of A and D, we need 19th term. So therefore, 19th term means A19. A19 is equal to A plus 18D. That is, A is 5 plus 18 into D is equal to 3, which is equal to 5 plus, what is 18 3s? 54. 54. 54 plus 5 is equal to 59 is 19th term of this arithmetic progression. Correct? So this way we can answer this problem. Moving on to the next one, the sum of first terms of an AP is given by Sn is equal to 2n square plus 8n. That is sum of first n terms of an AP given by 2n square plus 8n. Find the 16th term of an arithmetic progression. This is one of the most important problems. You can see this kind of problems even in 5 marks also. But here I would like to tell you one strategy to answer this problem easily. That strategy is, when Sn is given in the form of Pn square plus Qn, if Sn is equal to Pn square plus Qn, then the first term is going to be S1, which is equal to P plus Q, and common difference is equal to twice the coefficient of n square. Coefficient of n square is equal to P. Please do remember this so that you can answer any problem easily. Sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression is always a second degree polynomial without a constant. Please do remember, sum to n terms of an arithmetic progression is always a second degree polynomial without a constant, and whose first term is nothing but S1, and common difference is equal to twice the coefficient of n square. coefficient of n square is equal to p, twice the coefficient of n square is 2p, right? Now you need what is 16th term. Let me find out what is first term. First term is equal to s1. So substitute 1 in the place of n. 2 into 1 square plus 8 into 1, which is equal to 2 into 1 square is 2 and 8 into 1 equal to 8. 2 plus 8 is equal to 10 is the first term of an arithmetic progression. And the common difference is equal to twice the coefficient of n square. Coefficient of n square is 2. 2 times 2 equal to 4. After finding the values of a and d, what do you want? Find the 16th term. 16th term means a16 is equal to a plus 15d. The value of a is equal to 10 plus 15 into d is equal to 4. So it is 10 plus 15 fours are 60. So 60 plus 10 is equal to 70 is 16th term of this arithmetic progression. So this way we can answer these problems easily. So these are a few kind of problems, carries 2 marks, and you can observe the strategy behind solving these problems. These problems are pretty much easier. You can easily score more than 80% if you follow all these things properly. Hope you understand and enjoy the class. Thank you.